how to fix WorldCoin failed to fetch data. Now, the first step is check your internet connection. So make sure your phone or computer is connected to the internet and try opening another app or website to test your connection. So after that, restart the WorldCoin app. So close the WorldCoin app completely and open it again. This can fix small glitches or loading issues. Now for the step number 3, clear app cache. So for the Android only, so go to settings, then apps, then WorldCoin. After that, go to storage. Now you can tap on clear cache. These remove all files that may be causing the error. Now the step number 4, update the app. So open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for WorldCoin. If an update is available, tap update to install it. So after that, for the step number 5, check WorldCoin server status. So sometimes this issue is on WorldCoin site. So visit their official X Twitter page or website to check for outrageous updates, or you can check the Reddit community on it. After that, try different network. So if possible, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or use different Wi-Fi network. Network restrictions can be blocked the app from connecting. After that, reinstall the app. So delete the WorldCoin app and install it again from the App Store or Google Play, and this gives you a fresh version of the app without old errors. Now finally, contact support. So if nothing works from the above, go to the WorldCoin website and find their support page. Send them a message with your issue for help. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.